Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for those who new here on my channel. It's been a long time I didn't do YouTube videos, so today I have the time. Maybe not, I don't have the time actually, but I have the mood to do some makeup tutorial for today. So what are we going to do today is that I'm going to use this set. I'm going to use this Picnic Impression beauty set, which Focallure collab with Akin. Is that her name? Akin? I think. Okay. It comes with eyeshadow palette and the highlighter here, and then the lipstick. So we're gonna do the makeup look using this. Okay. So let's start. Let's start our day or night. I don't know. Well, just let's begin. So the first thing is, of course, we're gonna prep our skin. We're gonna prep our skin with primer. So today I'm going to use this Focallure Blur Max. If you guys ever tried Maybelline, the blue tube, okay, this one, it has the similar texture. So we're gonna use this one for today's look. I'm gonna prep it here and here, and of course my tissue. Now I'm gonna brush my eyebrow with this one, this Feathers by Miraho. I don't usually use this, but today we're gonna use this one. Brush it. Okay. So now we go with the eyes. I'm going to use this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. I use this a lot. I use this every time because I don't know the affordable one. I only know this one, so we can use this. Just a bit here. And now we continue with this Picnic 9-pan eyeshadow palette. There you go. The colors inside. I'm gonna go with cream puffs. Ugh. I'm gonna go with cream puffs. I don't know what looks I'm going to do today. I'm going to be Bailey, you know. So you just go with the flow. I love her. I love her vibes. If you know Bailey, she's one of my favorite beauty guru. I'm gonna use this Lond here. I'm gonna use Lond. The same crease at the crease here. Your crease here. Is it? Summer and after fall, I'll keep here.
You are summer and I'll keep.
It doesn't show that much in camera, but it does in here. Just go blend it. Now I'm gonna put concealer here.
Yeah. You are summer and I'll keep. You are.
So I'm gonna use cocoa for my eyelid. I'm just gonna use my hands. I always forgot it has mirror here.
Summer and I'll keep. You are summer and I'll keep. You are summer and.
So now we gonna go with coffee. I want coffee around my outer corner of the eyes.
All summer and I'll keep. You all summer.
So now the waterline. I'm gonna use this Wardah eyeliner in black.
I'll keep.
I always wanted to try the brown one, but every time I go to Watson's or Garden, I always forgot to buy one. So here I am using only black liner, black pencil liner. Now we're gonna go with liquid liner from Sache. Is it Sache or Sach Lady? In code, I don't know the code. In black, I just know it's black. I really love this one because of the tip and it's easy to use. I love it. I bought another one because I really love this eyeliner. So you guys go get it. It's affordable. It's better than Maybelline. I'm going to put my, put my eyelash. I'll be back in a minute. Now we go with the brow. I'm gonna use this Crescent Dual Head Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil in black. Again, in black.
You are summer and I'll keep. You are summer and I'll keep. You.
Now we go with foundation. Now we go with foundation. I use this Focallure Stay Max foundation in long wear high coverage foundation. I've been using this for months now. It kinda have nice coverage, but so we're going to use this for today's video.
Yeah. You are summer and I'll keep. You are summer and
So you can see it has nice coverage. It hides my hyperpigmentation. Is that what I call? No, it hides my acne scars here. I have so many acne scars on my chin. I don't have any concealer from Focallure, so we're gonna go with Maybelline New York Fit Me in code light. So what I learned on TikTok and It's not TikTok. I think it's yeah, Robert Welsh. Is it? Yeah. He teach me to conceal here and here, so it doesn't crease.
You all summer and summer and I'll keep you all summer and summer.
I'm gonna use this for the blush. This one is from O2O in the shade of wait, which one? Okay, so in the shade of RGLL4. I'm gonna use this one for the liquid blusher, cream blusher. Dip it around your temple so it makes your face look lift up.
You all summer and
So now we go with contour. I don't have nose. Wait, I have nose, but it was not pointy. How do we call that? Oh, come on, Najwa. You gotta love yourself. I love myself. I love my nose, okay? I love everything about me.
all summer and summer and you summer.
We go with the powder one. Contour powder by O2O also. I forgot this one is by Focallure face contour cream in the code full brown. I'm gonna use this one. This is what I learned from the fashion freak, that you have to go up to contour your nose. Don't go down, go up. Then you go in. I use this one, Candid, to conceal, to highlight my nose. Candid Photo Ready Antioxidant Concealer in the code 005 Fair Claire. I don't really like to use this because it's too dry, but I use this for highlighting my nose because it's because this one's it enhances my mouth. We go back to the contouring. I have to do a lot because the bridge of my nose, it doesn't show that much. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty in the code Banana. I love this one. It smells so good. I don't like to use it too much. It dries up my skin. I just put it here. And also here. We go with the lower eye I don't know how to call it, so I'm gonna use coffee again. I'm gonna mix it up with Lond. I'm gonna mix it with Lond, and then I'm gonna go with this cocoa. I'm gonna go with cocoa. Then I'm gonna brush this powder off first. I use this Fenty Beauty How Many Carats diamond bomb. This is the mini version. I like to use my finger, put it into my inner corner. I'm using this Focallure blush in the code C07 Peach.
I'll keep you warm all summer and after fall I'll keep.
So now we go with highlight. The highlight, we're gonna use this highlight.
I'll keep you warm all summer and after fall I'll keep.
We're gonna use liquid matte lipstick, I guess. Anyway,
And after fall I'll keep you warm all summer and.
so the last step, we're gonna use this Wet n Wild photo focus. I love this one because it's 3-in-1. Prepare, fixer, and I don't know what this thing is. Refresh. So this is the final look, as you can see here. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, always wear mask, and always wash your hands and keep your social distance. See you next time. See you in the next video. Bye.